Hi guys, today I'm gonna draw Thanos in 4 different art styles. I'm gonna use my cell phone to select the art style. First, the sketch. Here I make it simple. Okay, now we have Thanos in a sketch. Let's select the first one, manga, anime manga. To be honest, that's gonna be easy. I only have to use a liner and 2 colors, black and gray. If you like that kind of content, comment below, subscribe, and give me a like. That helps me a lot. And now, the second one. Let's select, this time gonna be One Piece. Nice. I'm gonna use Zoro, Roronoa, like an example, to draw Thanos in One Piece style. Comment what another character do you want for this type of content. Wow, to be honest, the first one is good, but the second one is amazing. Now it's time to the third one. Let's go. Okay, this time is metal. Damn. Okay, I use Metal Mario to sample and check out the result. Oof. Look fantastic. Comment below what do you want for the next video and what do you like more of this forest style. Let's make the last one. This time is slime. Okay. First, let's change the sketch. Now the liner. And the most important, the color. Yeah, I have to say sorry for my English. Yeah, I know American, but I'm gonna try to make this video nice. And here we have the final result. Don't forget, God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.